I have no idea where to begin with all this. It is time to get ready for my big trip, and this is a mess. I feel like we're about to get some serious Florida weather, which is good. At least it'll be cooler in there, but some weather's happening. Yep, that's a banana spider who has decided to take up residence and have babies on my Airstream. I mean, I've definitely let it go in here a little bit too much for my comfort, quite frankly. And a box of toilet paper because, hello, girl problems. Oh, there's so much to do in here. Oh my God. First things first, I guess the best place to start is with making the bed in here. That tends to be a challenging operation when it comes to maneuvering, because having the bed made is really the first obstacle to making sure that your Airstream is ready to go on a trip. That's pretty cozy. I've got my own little reading nook. I love it. Here are USB-C charging so that I don't have to rely on battery power and you just tap the back. And they're on this little ball mount, so they are a little bit adjustable. I got a new shelf and I decided to make it pretty with this other thing that I found at Bass Pro Shop. I had to wipe down the surface. I created this whole pretty thing and I'm mounting it right there. And while this looks pretty amazing for my Bluetooth speaker, I want you to know it fell down in 30 minutes. Underneath the bed and the bench seat, I have my bear canister, I have my inflatable floaty, I have tent stakes, I have a tent, all designed for the Rubicon Trail. We are headed that direction on this trip, and I have finally dialed in my storage here with all of my dry goods and my paper products, because I always have too many paper products, quite frankly. And then we have my little desk, some Gatorade, my Anker Solix C1000 goes under there. My Keurig is also under there, and I feel like I have finally dialed in the storage issues on this Airstream for the road trip I'm taking. And on the next video, we are en route to Hot Springs, Arkansas. I am ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.